In this video, I'll give you my introduction.
Who am I? Why you need to listen me? You need to listen me. I'm Parveen, a top-rated mathematics and statistics expert on Upwork, which is an American freelancing platform. I've done masters in mathematics from Bahauddin Zikriya University, Multan, Pakistan. During my master's degree, I enrolled in 2 short courses at DigiSkills, Pakistan's official platform to learn freelancing without fee. Then, I started my freelancing career. With freelancing, I'm also a MPhil mathematics student of Islamia University Bahawalpur in Biad. From Virtual University Islamabad, my skills: calculus, optimization, mathematics modeling, business mathematics, statistics, data analysis, abstract algebra, differential calculus, scientific writing, article and blog writing, C++, MATLAB, Excel, FFX and R. I'm to guide you how to use your degree to earn a living online, and for mathematics students some tips and methods which make her a successful freelancer. Like, share and subscribe this channel to stay connected with me.